Hello friends, I'm Kinyonga. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My channel is all about cooking and fun games with kids. When it comes to cook, I do prepare traditional food without spices and use them when necessary. And today I want to show you a very easy and quick recipe on how to make potatoes for breakfast. And if you have not yet subscribe to my channel, and thank you very much to those who have already done so. And please tell a friend to tell a friend so that I can reach to 100 subscribers, and I will be happy for that. Please support my channel by subscribing, commenting, and also share. You can also turn notification bell to get notified once I have a new video. And let's get into the kitchen and start cooking. And our today recipe, we are going to prepare potatoes, and I have already chopped them. I have not cut them in sizes. We are also having cooking oil and salt. I have two pots here. This one I'm going to use it to boil my potatoes, and this one I'm going to use it by frying my potatoes. Let's get to the kitchen and cook. We are going to start by lighting our gas. Let's exchange our pots. I use this one. We add water. And then we add our potatoes. And I think my water is not enough. I'm going to add. I also have salt, which I'm going to add. And then I cover my pot to wait for my potatoes to cook. Our potatoes are boiling, and we are only going to give them 10 minutes to be ready cooked. Our potatoes are ready. As you can see, we are going to turn off gas and sieve our potatoes. And that is it. We are going to light our gas again. The other gas. We add our cooking oil. And wait for 3 minutes for our cooking oil to heat, so that it can be ready to fry our potatoes. Our cooking oil is very hot. We are now going to add our potatoes. We are deep frying our potatoes, and they are very big in size. I have to turn them, and while turning, just turn one by one. And that is it. And please, if you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, comment, share, like, and also turn on notification bell to get notified once I have a new video. Do not get tired of telling your friends about my channel. And thank you very much to those who have already done so. And please feel free to be part of my YouTube channel, and please feel free to support me, and I will be very happy for you. I have to continue turning my potatoes until they turn golden brown. Our potatoes have already turned into a golden color, golden brown. And they are okay. They are rare. They are ready. You can try this recipe. These potatoes are best for breakfast, or even not supper, dinner. For dinner, they are okay. And please support me by subscribing to my channel. You can also comment, share, and turn on notification bell to get notified once I have a new video. You can try this recipe. It's the best. Please subscribe. Let's meet the next video. Bye bye.